Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today we are doing my probably last Halloween look. I'm so sorry. I wanted to do so many more but time really got away from me and Letty's playing with a squeak toy. Okay, time really got away from me and I am just kind of rushing to finish some other things. So I'm really sorry if I didn't do a look that you really wanted. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna try to do it better next year. I know that's like far away and not saying much, but yeah, so I hope you guys did enjoy the looks that I have done. It was fun. I just didn't have the supplies to do anything more crazy and artistic, so these are very like laid back, simple Halloween looks. And today we are doing a candy corn inspired look, which I am thoroughly obsessed with candy corns. I think they're so cute. I love the color combo. I don't know what it is about them. I do like to eat them, but I'm not like, it's not my favorite candy. I'm not in love with them. But for some reason I really like the aesthetic of candy corn. I wish I had candy corn earrings to match, but no, we're gonna have to do with ghosts. Without further ado, let's zoom in and get this party started. So I'm actually going to use tape for this makeup look. I know tape is like super bad and I should be using like makeup tape. Yeah, I know. I don't have any. I just put it on the back of my hand and rip it off a few times to get the sticky off, and that way it's not as, you know, harsh on my eye. I'm actually going to do one eye on camera because I don't know how this looks gonna turn out. Okay, I think there's good. My lower lash is like, excuse me. And now I'm going to prime my eyes with the Be Perfect Prime something or other. The one with the really long name. You know what I'm talking about. I'm going to prime my eyes now. Which might seem redundant in a minute, but you know, just bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. By the way, you don't have to do this look like this. This is just how I'm going to do it today. I've done it other ways, this shape, but I just feel like this might be the best today, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to take my white concealer. This is from Morphe. It doesn't have to be from Morphe. It could be any white concealer. This is just the one I personally own. And I am going to find a brush. What kind of brush do I want to use? Okay, I'm going to take kind of a big flat shader brush. And I'm going to basically carve the shape of the eyeshadow that I want with the white concealer and this big brush. So basically I just have some on the brush now. And I'm just going to put it on. Basically I'm using white because I'm using a white shadow for the candy corn, and I think the white will just help with the colors popping. And basically I'm just winging it out because I want this to be winged out. Probably looks really crappy right now, but yeah, that's good for right now. Like I said, we can clean it up a little bit later if it's not exactly the shape we want. Now for the white part of the candy corn, I'm going to take the Ouija palette from Killer Queens Cosmetics and the shade Not Alone right here. It's a white, a matte white, and I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my eye and kind of just mattify the inner portion. I'm sorry, can you see? I hope so. And just mattify the inner part. I'm putting quite a lot down because it's kind of hard to tell with white if it's down or not, so that's kind of what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go into my Kaleidos Futurism VR Neon palette right here. And I'm going to take the orange shade right here. And I'm going to place that on the middle of my eye. I'm going for kind of a neon candy corn effect. Because, why not? I'm just patting it down. Patting, patting, patting. I'll worry about the mixing and making them look good in a minute. Once I have all the colors down. Ooh. This is cute. Now, for the last part, I'm going to take the yellow shade from the Kaleidos palette, and I'm going to put that on the tail of the wing. I feel like I'm not talking a lot. I'm very sorry. This is like keeping my focus. Whoa, look at all that fallout on the tape. I feel bad because I'm not talking as much to you guys today, but I'm like kind of concentrating on this eyeshadow. And now I'm just kind of blending the colors together. Trying to make sure that the orange and the yellow mesh, and then that the orange and the white mesh, so they don't look so harsh together. Like they look like they're fading into one another. You know what I'm saying? Kind of like it's just like an ombre, I guess. If that makes any sense. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit more white from the Ouija palette and just kind of blend the white and the orange a bit better, like so. I think it looks pretty good, but you know, that can change in the blink of an eye. So shall we take off the tape, which is covered in eyeshadow, by the way. Oh god. Ugh. Yeah, see, I need to clean up that wing just like an itty bitty bit, but let me wipe away the yellow. Wow. Yeah, it's not like extremely straight, as you can tell, but I can clean it up in a minute. But otherwise, I think it looks fun. I think it's cute. I think it looks like candy corn-esque. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think I did a good job? I can't tell. I also feel like it looks silly because there's like nothing else on my face, you know? Like there's just this right now and the other eye isn't done as well, so it just kind of looks a little silly. But I think once the rest of my makeup's done, and you know what I'm saying. Sorry, I'm just building up this white. I feel like a little bit of the orange got on the inside. Not that that's bad, but okay. So this is what we're working with. I'm going to clean up that that really bad wing. It's not even like a straight line. It's like kind of, I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna clean that up and do the other eye as well. And then this was a pretty simple video. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I didn't do much, but yeah, I'm going to finish up the other eye, do the rest of my makeup off camera. I'm gonna come on for blush because I want to try something. So I'll be right back. Hello, hello, I'm back. I messed up there. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Pretend it's not there. Don't look at it. Okay? Thank you. So now we're going to do some blush, and I'm going to mix two together, but kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to do like an ombre, but kind of, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm taking my Clown Blush Palette from Likely Makeup, and I'm taking the shade Carnival, this yellow shade. yellow, 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 yellow. And I'm going to keep it up, I guess, close to here. Yeah, like that, kind of. Close to where the wing is of the candy corn look, like that. And then I'm going to take the shade Contortion, this orangey shade, and I'm going to put it here. Yes, kind of making an ombre blush, I guess, to give that candy corn feeling again, except there's just no white. I guess I could do a white highlight, although the colors are backwards then, because it should go white, orange, yellow, and we're doing white, yellow, orange, but that doesn't really matter, right? Yeah, I feel like this is candy corn blush, man. My puppy wants cuddles and I can't give her any because I'm filming. I'm sorry, baby. Just gonna do the nose a wee bit and the chin a wee bit with the orange. Oh, Angle. Oh, it's wrong, Angle. I kind of look like a clown, don't I? Ooh, I like it a lot. And then for highlights, let me check. We'll take the Lunar Skies Cosmetics Highlight in Moonlight. It is a loose powder white gold kind of highlight. And I'll pop this on my cheeks. Okay, and then for my lower lash, I'm just going to mimic the colors on top. So I'm going to put yellow out here, then orange in the middle. And then lastly, white on the inner corner. And then for the inner corner, I'm just going to take some of my face highlight and pop that in. Okay, and then I'm going to pop on some mascara and a lip, and then I will be done. So I will be right back. Okay, my friends, this is my candy corn look. What do you think? I feel like I kind of look like a clown, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this looks like clown makeup, but yeah, it's candy corn and I really like it, except for this one little area where I messed up. But don't look at it and you can't tell that it looks a little bad. Just don't look at it. Just look at this side, look at this side, it looks better. But yeah, so this is my last Halloween look. I'm so sorry. I know I was planning on doing more, but time really got away from me and Bookaween is starting this weekend. So yeah, I'm really sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed the looks that I did do. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that kind of content. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We can become friends, talk about makeup, books, movies, horror, all kinds of things. I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. And with that being said, I will see you guys on Friday for my announcement video. So I'll see you then. Bye!